guys, how are you all? Today we are making a super combination recipe that's both healthy and mouth-watering, that is ragi ball and mutton curry recipe. Ragi ball is an authentic South Indian recipe which is having a great nutritional benefits like fiber, protein, calcium and iron. It's a great healthy alternative to rice and wheat. Mainly it is a very good and energetic diet for diabetic patients. On the other hand, mutton is an excellent source of protein and iron. When it combined together, it will create a power pack meal that both healthy and delicious. So first I am going to prepare the mutton curry recipe. For that I am taking around 750 grams of mutton. For marination, add in salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, jeera powder and coriander powder into it. Mix it well nicely, mix it thoroughly and keep it aside for 1 hour. Now it's time to prepare the masala paste recipe for gravy. For that I am taking a blender and adding 2 green chilli into it. Adding 10 to 12 strands of garlic. Add 2 inch of chopped ginger. Add 2 medium size of chopped onion. Add 1 small size of chopped tomato. Handful of mint leaves. Handful of coriander leaves. And some whole garam masala, 4 cloves, 1 ilachi, fennel seeds half tablespoon, peppercorns 8 and 1 inch of cinnamon stick. Add some water into it. Blend it nicely into a smooth fine paste. Let it be in a creamy texture. Now take a kadai and add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Let oil get heated, add the masala paste into it. Add curry leaves. Mix it well and adjust the flame in low flame. The process supposed to be happen in low flame. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Just check whether oil floats on the top and masala thickens. Add in marinated mutton into it. Now mix it well nicely and saute it for 10 minutes. Add around 500 ml of water into it. I have cleaned the blender and I am using that water too. And bring it to cook for 30 to 35 minutes in simmer until mutton gets tender. It depends on the mutton, please check that. Finally add 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder and garnish with some chopped coriander. And that's it, the mutton curry is ready. And this is perfectly tender now. So the super delicious mutton curry is ready to enjoy now. So come, let's dive into the preparation process of healthy ragi balls. For making of this recipe, I am taking around 250 grams of idli rice. You can use short grain rice or any other rice, but idli rice or short grain rice is perfect for this ragi balls preparation. Wash it nicely for 3 to 4 times. Strain the water and add the fresh water into it and let it soak for at least 1 hour for the perfect recipe. Take 5 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Add around 1 tablespoon of salt. Add the rice in rolling boiling water. Let it cook for 5 minutes in low flame. Just check whether the rice cooks nicely or not. Let it cook until rice gets mushy. So now it's time to add the ragi powder of 250 grams. Close the lid and let it simmer for 2 minutes so that the rawness of the powder will absorb. Now it is perfectly cooked. Now take a mixing stick and mix it thoroughly to make into a soft dough. Mix it slowly. And that's it. Now the recipe is ready to make into a shapes. It's a perfect recipe. Now it's time to make into a balls. Take a fresh water into a bowl. Sprinkle the water onto the top of the plate. Take the required mixture and make it into a round shapes. And now the ragi ball recipe is ready. This ragi ball has to be served hot immediately for the best texture, taste and flavor. And this ragi ball recipe goes well with many curries like mutton, chicken, etc. But for this vlog we are considering mutton curry along with ragi ball recipe. Come, let's try it out and let me know how it came to you. And as per yours wish, I am just going to release the Telugu version shortly. So thank you, bye bye all.